Dear students, we learnt trigonometry, ratios of the formulas and inverse formulas. Let us come to exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Open your textbook, trigonometry 11.1. This is the exercise. In first sum, in right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC, CA. Then find out sin A, cos A, tan A. First sum. Solution. So, what is given in the sum? Given in right angle triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Next, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 17 centimeter are the AB, BC, CA. AB 8 centimeters, BC 15 centimeters, CA 17 centimeters. So we will draw the right angle triangle. A, B, C. AB 8 centimeters, BC 15 centimeters, CA 17 centimeters. You should take the 17 centimeters highest measurement in is hypotenuse. Highest measurement is hypotenuse. What will he have? What will he want? Sin A, cos A, tan A. So, first sin A. Do you remember formula sin A? Sin A, opposite side. Of angle A by hypotenuse. Angle A, this is angle A, sin A, opposite side BC by opposite BC, hypotenuse AC, BC by AC is equal to, BC is equal to 15, BC is equal to 15, hypotenuse 17. So, sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Next, he wants cos A. Cos A, formula adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. A adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. So AB by AC, AB is 8 centimeters, AC is 17 centimeters. Next, tan A, opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A is equal to A opposite side BC by adjacent side AB is equal to BC 15 by AB 8 centimeters. So sin A 15 by 17, cos A 8 by 17, tan A 15 by 8. This is the first sum solution. Next, second sum. Second sum. The sides of right angle triangle PQ are PQ 7 centimeters, QR 25 centimeters. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Find tan Q minus tan R. So second given PQR is a right angle triangle. Triangle PQR is right angle triangle. PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. QR is equal to 25 centimeters. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So, P, Q, R. P, Q, R. This is right angle triangle at 90 degrees. P, Q is equal to 7 centimeters. QR is equal to 25 centimeters. RPR is not here. So it is a side. It is a right angle triangle. We know Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. First, we want this side. The side is PR. So, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. You learned in first. So, hypotenuse square is equal to PQ square is equal to side RQ square is equal to side PQ square plus PR square. This is 25 square. PQ 7 square plus PR square. So 625 is equal to 49 is equal to plus PR square. So 625 minus 49 is equal to PR square. So subtraction 15 minus 9 6 1 11 minus 4 7 this is 5 is equal to PR square. So PR square is equal to 576. PR is equal to root of 576 is equal to 24. 576 square root is 24. You learned in 9th class square roots 24. So PR is equal to 24. Next, we want tan Q minus tan R. So first tan Q. Tan Q is equal to opposite side of angle Q by adjacent side of angle Q. Where is angle Q? This is angle Q. So angle Q opposite side RP by adjacent side PQ is equal to RQ 24 by 7. RP 24, PQ 7. So tan Q is equal to 24 by 7. Next tan R. Tan R. Tan R means opposite side of angle R by adjacent side of angle R. R opposite side is PQ. R opposite side PQ. Adjacent side R adjacent side is equal to RP. So PQ 7, RP 24. We want tan Q minus tan R. Tan Q minus tan R. Next, did you complete? So tan Q minus tan R. Tan Q 24 by 7 minus tan R 7 by 24. LCM 5 into 24. 7 into 24 LCM. 7 cross out 24 into 24. 24 into 24 minus 24 24 cancelled. 7 into 7. So 24 ja 576 minus 7 7 ja 49 by 7 24 ja 7 4 ja 28 2 7 2 ja 14 plus 2 16. So subtracting 16 minus 9 7 6 minus 4 2 527 by 168. 527 by 168. This is the answer. Okay, we will go to third sum. Next, third sum. In a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B, A 24, B 25, angle BAQ theta, then find cos theta tan theta. Third sum. Solution. Given ఏంటి ఇచ్చారు ఫస్ట్ ABC is right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So the right angle at B is 90 degrees. A is equal to 24 units. B is equal to 25 units. Angle BAQ theta. So we want to cos theta and tan theta. So you will draw the right angle triangle. A, B, C. It is the right angle. Angle B is the 90 degrees right angle. So, A angle opposite side is A, small a. B angle opposite side is small b. C angle opposite side is small c. A is 24. B is 25. C is question mark. We want C. Next we will find out cos theta, tan theta. The theta is angle BAQ. BAC. So BAC. This is BAC. BAC. This is theta. This is theta. So we will find out C. Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse square? AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 25 whole square. AB square C square plus BC square 24 whole square. 25 whole square 625 is equal to C square plus 576. 24 whole square is equal to 576. So this is will come here. Subtract 625 minus 576 is equal to C square. Subtraction 49 is equal to C square. C square is equal to 49. C is equal to root 49. So C is equal to 7 units. 7 units C is equal to. So we want to cos theta, tan theta. So this is 7 cos theta. Cos theta formula adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So adjacent theta adjacent side AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB is equal to 7. AC is equal to 25. Next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. So opposite side, theta opposite side BC by adjacent side AB. BC is equal to 24, AB is equal to 7. Cos theta is equal to 7 by 25, tan theta is equal to 24 by 7. This is the third sum. Did you understand?